Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we're going to be revealing the final M20 2.7 stroker build and installing the new upgraded intake manifold for the M20. Without further ado, here we go. New color scheme for the car is black and white. So, of course, motor is all white with a black engine bay. Again, what we have here is a super ETA bottom end with a 25885 head. If you guys have more questions on the motor build, I just did, if you missed the previous video, go check it up right there. It goes more into detail what a super ETA bottom end is. But super ETA bottom end, beamer head, support and polished head, 280, 274 cam, ARP head studs, cut ring head gasket, and a nuke cam gear. We also have Ireland Engineering race headers, a Ireland Engineering distributor delete plate. I also have a MRT delete plate that has a cam sensor. So when I go coil unplug, I could use that instead. And then we have fresh zinced hardware from CA Tuned. Their kit is about $100 shipped, at least here in California, and you can't really go wrong with it. It all makes the motor look fantastic, and all the bolts are nicely labeled in little bags here, so everything is ready to go. Now, I've been hinting at the upgrade for the intake manifold. So what we have here is a RHD ITBs. I have them just basically assembled right now. I'll do a full assembly video when I actually go to fully install them, but we'll go ahead and test fit them today on the motor, as well as a ECU Masters adapter harness. Thank you, Rama from RHD, for putting this together. Hit them up if you need these adapters. You cannot buy them here in the US. ECU Masters Australia, which is RHD Rama, he puts them together. So there's that. Just need to order the ECU, and we will be ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead, take that intake manifold off, and plop this one on, and we'll get test fitting. There we go. Got the ITBs mocked up. I'm not a huge fan of all the cast and the raw aluminum, especially with the the color scheme. So my iconic Fletcher, I'll put a photo right here of his Instagram. He powder coated these black as well as these. I mean, he has got like a black and red theme going. So he went black and black. I'm thinking of just doing these in black to kind of, because the runners look so long, to kind of just hide them a little bit, and then either leaving these the way they are with a billet fuel rail to match, or doing these and this in white, but leaving the ITBs just this line in billet. So let me know what you guys think I should do. Put some color options down below, but this is their 42 millimeter ITB kit with the carbon box. I am going turbo ITB, so I don't know if I already mentioned that. I think I already did. But so I will be making a video going through and making sure this thing is fully sealed and ready to go. I know that they're only good for about 14, 15, ish PSI. Not crazy. Not going for a ton of boost for now. So this should be super cool, going through and sealing the box and make sure it's a really good running and driving car. As well, I haven't decided on injector size yet, so if you guys have any options or any suggestions, put them down below, and I'll go ahead and look through them and see what's best for the motor. So that is pretty much it for this video. Just a quick video showing the completed motor. Last few things I have to do for the motor: oil cooler needs to be installed. I need to weld a bung on the oil pan as well as the baffles, and install the crank scraper from IE as well. and rear main seal, and this motor is ready to go. I might even try to start it up on the stand, put some reinforcements there so it doesn't move, and then just run wiring and fuel to it. So stay tuned for that. And in the next video, we'll be going over more chassis stuff or wiring. And we'll start the wiring on the wiring videos for the E30 over there. So thank you guys for watching. If any questions, put them down below. If you guys need any BMW parts, E30, Z3M, E36M3, E46M3, hit up my parts page at RHD Parts right there. If you're not following me on Instagram, at the Master Driver. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.